When the Cotton Bowl came around, I was real excited to have the opportunity, especially knowing what it is and what it means to North Texas, this whole area, to the whole football world.
Here at the Cotton Bowl, we're installing around 3,600 feet of railing. Somewhere in the neighborhood of probably 6,000 Kwik-X anchors will go into this project.
So what is Kwik-X? Kwik-X is the easiest anchor to use on the market that combines a mechanical screw anchor with an epoxy anchor, and there's nothing difficult about it.
And it's pretty fast. We've put in a lot of plates with a lot of screws and anchors, and it goes real. It makes our job faster. It makes everything so much easier for us to move forward.
I don't know how that particular anchor came about, but once it did, and once Derek Hackelman, who's the crew chief here, once he was telling me about that thing, he was pretty excited about how labor easy it is as opposed to other anchors we're used to using. Derek was explaining to me how simple this thing is and how much it speeds up the install time.
Yeah, the innovation that the Kwik-X brings to the customer is that it's improved safety. You're getting speed and productivity from a production side, but you're also getting an increased safety factor as well too.
Typically, we would get a core rig, core a hole, and then have to pour in non-shrink grout. The Kwik-X is much cleaner. It's easy, it's fast. There's not a lot of tools required or equipment, just an impact, a hammer drill essentially, and maybe a vacuum.
I completely recommend it because it's just, you don't waste time. It's just quick and it holds. It's just something fast. We have an expected due date, so it just makes everything so much faster and easier.
I would recommend Kwik-X to anyone in the industry. Kwik-X is the best anchoring system I think we've ever used.